So hello guys, good morning po. At saka kahit sa Team BB, meron naman po mag-birthday ngayong 25. Advance happy birthday sa aking asawa na si Niknik Martinez Pagambara. Maraming salamat po, mahal, na sa pag-aalaga sa atin mga anak. At mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan sa bahay. At saka maraming salamat po sa pag-iintindi sa ating mga anak. God bless po, God bless po, mahal, para sa iyo to. I love you. Happy birthday, mahal ko.
Hi everyone, and also hi to my mother. Hi Ma, this is your day. This is it. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, and also mag-iingat. Yan yung laging sinasabi ko sa'yo, mag-iingat. And mahal kita, mahal ka namin, at mahal ka ng lahat. And also mahal ka ng Papa. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana lagi mong tatandaan na mahal kita sobra pa sa sobra. Kahit na madalas tayo magkatampuhan at mag-away, mahal na mahal kita. Ako na nga lang kamukomi. Happy birthday, Ma. Sana mag-iingat ka, mag-iingat ka. Huwag masyado ma-stress. Stress eh. Pangit ka niya, hindi na tayo kamukha. God bless to us, guys. And also kay Sir Tony Towers, thank you sa pag-help sa mother ko sa mga bebe. Thank you po. And also happy birthday, Ma. Love you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, more birthdays up. Stay pretty and stay healthy. Thank you for being a supportive mother to me and sa mga kapatid ko. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama! Salamat sa pag-aalaga namin. Sana mag-iingat ka palagi. God bless to come. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mama. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka palagi. Salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin. And yun yung masasabi ko sa'yo. And mahal na mahal ka namin nila, Papa. Hindi ka namin pabayaan. I love you, Ma. Ingat ka palagi. And happy birthday.
Oh, ayan.
Hello, Tita Niknik. Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka palagi. I love you.
Guys, so ayan, may galang shoutout po. So, Team Beats of Point especially to our birthday girl, si Nick Pagambara. Pero si happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and more birthdays to come. Thank you so much for being a god sister-in-law for me. Mag-iingat ka palagi at enjoy your special day with your family and friends. Magpakain ka na. Ayan, so mag-iingat ka palagi, Sisi, at maraming salamat. Enjoy your special day. God bless and bye-bye. I love you, baby.
Hello guys, so tamad version tayo for today's video. First of all, allow me to extend my warm greetings to Ate Nikniks. Parang lapit sa screen. Basta yun po, Ate Nix, thank you for everything. Not just in YT, but also in personal and in HIA. Thank you for all your support. And thank you for letting me feel how good it is to have a sister from another womb like you. Like sa inyo ni Ate Resely. Though we aren't related by blood or by anything else or by aside from being teammates, but still you never fail to express your care and support for me in all possible aspects, in all possible ways that you can. And I'm really grateful for having an ate like you. Thank you so much, Ate Nix. And yun, happy birthday. Please bear with my voice because merong CCTV. CCTV. Happy birthday. Ate Nix, as always, wala naman akong ibang hihilingin, kundi good health for you and for the entire family. And sana po ay maging masaya ka, hindi lang sa birthday mo, kundi everyday. And sana makatapos na rin ang mga bata kasi alam ko na laking kasiyahan mo talaga yun. And also, I am hoping and praying na sana po ay magka-negosyo kayo. You can start your own business para, anong tawag na, alam ko naman how hardworking you were eh. So, sana po you can have your own business. Ano pa ba? Sorry, may mental block ako. Good luck po sa buhay and patuloy na maging supportive and mabait na ate to everyone. Happy birthday. Hindi na po ako kakanta at overtime na din ako, Ate Nix. Thank you so much. I am really grateful na meron akong ating kagaya. Hindi lang sa on screen or kung may camera, pero ate kahit off screen on, kahit walang camera na naka-ano or kahit hindi tayo naka-live, nafe-feel ko talaga yung support and pagiging like parang kapatid mo yung turing mo sa akin. Thank you po. The feeling is new kasi ilan lang din naman yung mga totoo talagang taon na kahit na may mga namimit tayo personally, hindi naman tayo sigurado, diba? Pero masaya ako, nagpapasalamat na kagaya nyo ni Ate Rosalie, kahit hindi ko pa kayo nakita personally. Sana lang totoo yung mga pinakita nyo. Eh, nafe-feel ko totoo naman siguro talaga yan. Nandun yung love and care at grabe yung support nyo talaga sa akin. From Facebook, TikTok, to YouTube, down to here. Grabe. Thank you po talaga ate ha, and hindi ko na pahahabain pa at overtime na talaga ako. Sorry, I know na nangako kami ni Ate Rosalie na hindi kami gagawa ng video, pero I just really wanna express how grateful and special you are to everyone. And yun lang po. More babies to come. Baka mabatukan ako. Yan. Thank you and I love you, Ate Nix. Happy birthday. God bless po. Ingat palagi, ate, ha. Cheers to more dayas and to more super chats. To more huggies and to more palipad. Love. Bye-bye. PS, makikikain ako dyan. Lafang is life ako eh. See ya.
Hello guys! So today I want to greet a happy birthday to Ate Niknik Pakampara. Happy birthday Ate Niknik! More birthday to come and stay healthy always. And enjoy your day to celebrate with your family. And stay kind to our team Vivi. Happy birthday Ate Niknik! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday Ate Niknik! It's so noisy outside because our neighbor is so noisy. And happy birthday Ate Niknik! Stay humble to our team baby and more birthday to come. And God bless! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day, Ate Niknik!
Hello guys, and I just want to greet a happy birthday kay Ate Niknik. Hello Ate, happy birthday to you and wish you all the best in life. Good health always and more candles to blow. Enjoy your day po Ate. Happy birthday once again. Sinsya lang yun kayo. Nag-good ako dere guys. Charot. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bebe Niknik. I wish more birthday to come. Ingat always. God bless.
Hey everyone, shout out Team Baby to Printer, shout out. Shouty, especially sa nag-birthday ngayon. Walang iba kundi si Ate Niknik. Yahoo! Happy birthday, Ate Niknik. Wishing you all the best in life at sana maging successful ka at marami pang birthdays na darating at good health always. More blessings to come and keep safe always. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your special day. At laban lang tayong mga mama. So yan, keep safe always at stay what you are. Thank you sa pagsuporta sa YT and sana'y marami pang birthdays na darating. So yun lang. Basta enjoy ka lang. Tagay na yan. Yahoo! Happy birthday again. Enjoy. Happy birthday to you, Ate Niknik. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bebe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bebe Niknik. More birthdays to come. God bless you always.
Hello guys, ako muna magsalita kasi ang ama ko sakit ng ngipin. Happiest birthday, Ate Niknik. More birthdays to come. More blessings to come. Enjoy your special day. Good health always. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Niknik Pakampara. Mag-ingat ka lagi po. Happy birthday!
Hello, this is Tony Towers here with Nick Pakampara. A happy birthday. Hello, Nick. Lin, mine. How are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful birthday. More candles to blow, more cake to eat. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, sis Nick. I hope you're having a wonderful day, spending it with your family and your wonderful kids and your Mr. Man, Mariam Pakampara. Have a good day, guys. Happy birthday, Nick.
Makabati nga muna. Tagal-tagal na akong hindi nakakabati ng mga nag-birthday Happy birthday, Lalabs Niknik. May you have many more birthdays to come, Lalabs Niknik. Happy birthday, Lalabs Niknik. Ilan taon ka na ngayon? Punta kaya ako dyan, makitagay. May tagay ba, Lalabs Niknik? Happy birthday na lang, happy birthday. Saka shout out sa mga Team Baby. Happy birthday, Niknik. Happy birthday, Niknik Pakampara. Hello, Lalabs. Sana marami pang birthday ang sapitin mo. Always be happy, Lalabs Niknik. Alam ko, busy ka rin sa ano mo ngayon sa mga ginagawa niyo dyan. Pati si Lalabs Rizal busy. Sige, pagigihan nyo lang yan. Mas maganda yan. Sure na yan diba? Basta happy birthday na, Lalabs Niknik. Sana ay lumigaya ang lahat. Lahat hindi lang ikaw God bless you, Lalabs Niknik. Bye-bye.